severe thunderstorm warning for southern Jackson County in Florida,
we got Jackson.
northeastern Bay County in Florida, Calhoun County in Florida,
Oh, we got Calhoun.
southeastern Washington County in Florida until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
That's all we got.
At 4:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles southeast of Vernon, moving east at 30
I'm in the middle of getting frustrated at this thing because it's detecting these as rechargeable, non-rechargeable batteries. Rick, you piece of poop. Don't you dare! Ah, frick, what is that? What is that? Interference!
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida, Calhoun, and Jackson.